In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this extremely easy to do because of their templates. Now, if we come up to here to the search bar, within Canva, we can type in YouTube thumbnail. Now, if we come down to here, we can see that there's over 18,000 templates that we can choose from. Now, if we come to here, where it says see all, and click on here, we're now going to have all of these different thumbnails that we can customize to make our own. Now, if we come back up to the top, we also have a few filters here. We then have styles, which we can choose from. We have themes as well, with business, black, corporate, company, marketing, and many more. You can also filter through the features, the grade, and the subject, and a few more. We can also choose by category just here, or we can choose a blank template. So this is going to be a blank page with nothing on it. Now, with these templates, there's two different options. If you have a free account, you can only choose the ones without a little crown. If you have a pro account, you can then choose the ones with the little crown just here. Now, if we scroll through these and find one that we want to use, we can then completely edit absolutely everything. So let's click on this one. We've now got a few different options. We can click on the three dots, share and report. We can start this design, this template as well, or we can customize. If we take a look through these, we can see even more templates related to this template. So let's go ahead and click on customize this design. Now from here, we also have a few different options. If we look over here on the left hand side, we have all of those templates again. And if we want to change this template, we can simply click on one of these and it's going to change it. Now, if we go back to undo, let's go back to this one, because everything here is completely customizable. So you could take this picture out and you could add your own. So if we go to elements, let's choose this image for as an example. Let's go ahead and remove the background on this. So let's go to background remover, then click apply. We can also add that white outline, which most YouTube thumbnails have, on a person. So we're going to click on shadows. We're going to go to glow. We're then going to click on there again, change this color to white. We're going to turn the blue all the way down, the transparency all of the way up, and then we can change the thickness like so. Then once that's done, we can click apply. Now from here, we can move that over like so. Let's put that at a little bit of an angle, move that down, and then we can change all of this as well. So we could change the background color to whatever color that we want. Let's go with orange. We can change all of this as well. So let's change that to blue. Let's make it a little bit of a brighter blue as well, like that. We can change this color. We could change the yellow like so. Let's brighten that up, and then we can change all of this text. So we could put your text just here. We can then make that smaller, and as you can see, absolutely everything is completely customizable. So let's just do that like this. Let's just move that in like so. We can then change these stars. We could copy and paste them. We could add anything we want, again, to completely customize this thumbnail. So that's how to make a YouTube thumbnail here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.